morning everyone, this is Somnath Rishi from Maths University, Assistant Professor, Department of Mining. Today I am going to introduce the project which is going on Govindpur Colliery C.C.L underground mines at Bokaro, Jharkhand. These are some introductions. Govindpur project is situated in a revenue district of Bokaro, which is situated at Jharkhand under the police station Bokaro Thermal, and it is in a distance of 2 km. Bokaro Thermal railway station of Barkakhana Gomulup of Eastern Railway is connected by all with the metal road to company headquarter Ranchi, which is at the distance of about 130 km Dhanbad. GD Bokaro, Steel City and Hazaribagh are connected by the metallized road. The colliery has total leasehold area approx 661 acres. These are the general geographic strata formation. The geographical coordinates of Govindpur project are latitude, as you can see there, and longitude. History of the Govindpur colliery was opened 1983. Govindpur project is at the first of Sahang colliery, bounded by the Kona River on the west, and it is served by the Barkakhana Gomulup line of Eastern Railway. These are the sequence of the core seam. As you can see, the name 70, 18 degree mine, 18 degree seam, 10 degree seam, 6 degree seam, and Sahang seam. These are particular gradient, deep ratio, and the thickness of these core seams. The method of working in Govindpur project is board and pillar. Govindpur colliery adopts board and pillar method for winning the goal in underground mines. It is semi-mechanized mines. There are two sides for the turbs loading, extracting the coal, and mined by turbs connected with the rope haulage. All the working distance of supports all working place include specially exposed roof of all working places by roof wall, safari support, roof of feet, rock tension, etc. There are two stages of board and pillar method: development and deploying. In development, excavation, the coal for making galleries, and the deploying. After making galleries, we excavate the pillars by stowing and carrying method. These are the system diagram. As you can see, the board and pillars working and lifting the galleries. These are the explosives. As you can see that P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5 are types of explosives. They are P1, P3 and P5 are used in India, and only P2 and P4 are used in foreign countries. There are several types of blasting patterns. There are mostly 7 types of blasting patterns. First, pyramid cut, wedge cut, drag cut, fan cut, bone cut, garment cut, and ring cut. But there are only wedge cut is used in Govindpur mine. Some precautions have been taken in solid blasting. Number 1. Using T5 punctive explosive, drill patterns should be wedge cut. The delay period between two consecutive shots with different delay numbers will not more than 60 milliseconds. The delay period is not exceed 150 milliseconds between first to last delay number. Upper source hole are 6 shots from lower holes. Power factor with solid blasting 1.5 to 2.5 tons of coal per kg of explosive and 0.8 to 1.25 coal per detonator. Maximum charge per shot. Now the electrical installations at Govindpur colliery is 6.6 kW power line to underground mine, which is stepped down to a required voltage. Entire Govindpur is fed through 3 MW and 2 MW transformer installed at our colliery. Substation 550 volt is used for operation the machines and for the lighting machine 125 volt. ELP electric light filtering have been provided at all the coupling and non-coupling points, and all junction is haulage roadway and all haulage room, and also dredging machine is used at 125 volt. Now safety means a camp lamp. In Govindpur colliery, 306 number of cap lamps are on roll. Approx 450 cap lamps are issued in 1, 2 and 3 shifts daily. Charging time of one cap lamp is 16 hours. The cap lamp is also used for 8 to 10 hours. Cap lamps Charging capacity is 440 volts, but when cap lamp will be charged, then charging power gives 4.8 volts. Cap lamp bulbs are Angel Company and fuse are 1 volt. Cap lamp battery 5.5 volts. These are the figures that you can see now. Comes to transportation. Surface haulage. For haulage out of coal from the mines, direct type haulage has been used at Govindpur Colliery at surface on 1015 kV. 150 HP haulage is installed with handed out 10 tubs at a time. The dia of the haulage drum is 6 feet. Rope dia is 22 mm. Total length of rope installed is 1100 meters. That means 1100 meters. These are the seismic diagram. As you can see, the workers are working at underground mines. Now it comes to the production. There are total 833 manpower working at Govindpur Colliery. Monthly production of Govindpur mines is 4,845 tons. Now if you calculate the OMS equal to total production but total man feet that are working in colliery. Now comes to the ventilation. There are two types of ventilation: natural ventilation, mechanical ventilation. In natural ventilation, a worker in a mine should be able to work under conditions which are safe, healthy for his body. The humidity, temperature and the dust content of the air in the mine should also be within certain limits. This is achieved by proper ventilation of underground mine work by continuous. And these are the formula that you can see, that the quantity of air, velocity of air into area of cross section. In mechanical ventilation, artificial ventilation produced in a mine by fan. A fan may be forced there in a mine, forcing fan. It may be shut up. Air is called exhaust fan. These are the seismic diagram of exhaust fan. Seismic force. Force, as you can say, force of freshly exposed roof within 10 meter of earth. Freshly exposed roof shall be supported by the number of rope bolts on the row. Distance between the bolt and such row shall be 1.2 meter and side of 0.9. The force of distribution place. Description of the bolt and bearing. Here you can see that bolt length is 1.6 meter, bolt dia 19 to 22 mm, size of bearing plates 15 cross 15 cm. These are the seismic diagram of the roof bolt. As you can see, testing of roof bolts. Anchor test shall be done in 10%. Total number of the bolts get placed and tested. Support of immediate on by Jackson shall be supported by steel caulk. These are the wooden caulk, as you can see in the figure. Caulk. Travel roadways shall be supported by the wooden caulk at interval 1.20 meters. Safety in mine. Gas pressing with multi-gas ejector, gas pressing with safety lamp, firefighting arrangements like substation, haulage room, cap lamp room, fan house, at bell drive. Thank you for listening.